The impact of RPA on the gig economy and freelance work. With the implementation of RPA in various industries, many routine and repetitive tasks streamline their workflows, reduce errors, and deliver high-quality results in a shorter amount of time are now being automated, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. This automation allows freelancers and gig workers to focus on more complex and creative work, rather than spending time on mundane tasks. Additionally, RPA can help freelance workers. What does this mean for the future of freelancing? The integration of RPA into the freelance economy is expected to bring about significant changes in the coming years. As more companies use automation, the demand for skilled freelancers who can work with robots will likely rise. Freelancers skilled in machine learning and AI will be in high demand. They can help companies use automation to drive innovation and growth. How can freelancers adapt to the rise of automation technology? With RPA on the rise, freelancers must upgrade their skills to thrive. They need to stay ahead of the curve. Freelancers must invest in training on automation, machine learning, and AI. As automation changes industries, freelancers must adapt. They should upskill in data analysis, AI, and RPA to stay competitive. Automation tools can help freelancers. They can streamline repetitive tasks. The benefits of RPA for freelancers. The rise of automation may scare freelancers, but it also offers chances for growth and success. By embracing RPA and learning to work with robots, freelancers can be more efficient. They can also expand their skills and take on tougher projects. Also, automation can help freelancers attract high-paying clients. It can help them get long-term contracts. This leads to a more stable and lucrative freelance career. In conclusion, the impact of RPA on the gig economy and freelance work is undeniable. As automation technology advances, freelancers must adapt.